Hi everyone, I have just given my test of PT after the 7th of August changes this afternoon, and I'm going to share my experience with you guys. Yes, the test felt a little different from what we were used to doing before, but a lot of students are asking me, ma'am, was the test difficult? I would say not really, the test was not very difficult. I wouldn't categorize the test as a difficult test, but yes, it feels a little different with the new questions and that the fact that you have in your mind that now your read aloud is not giving marks to reading and reading writing are not giving marks to writing. So all of those things are there at the back of your mind when you are solving your test. So what was my experience like? Starting with the speaking module, yes, speaking module was a little tiring. It was definitely lengthy because doing the first 5 tasks and again you have the 2 new tasks. There is no break in between. You have to keep taking notes, you have to keep speaking continuously. So yes, it felt a little longer, a little tiring. So by the time it was summarized group discussion, there are chances that a person can be exhausted. But again, if you are taking sufficient amount of speaking mock tests before you go for the exam, you should get the hang of it. You will be okay with what is going on in the test over there. What else did I face over there? Read alouds were very simple. Repeat sentences, I had short to medium questions, not very difficult. That was very good. Describe images and reader lectures felt the same like before. It wasn't that the audios are very difficult or the anything is very complex. The 2 new tasks, there's a highlight of the whole test. Yes, the 2 new tasks were easy. It wasn't that the audios were very difficult. The audios were very easy to catch. You can take proper notes. Respond to situations are very easy. Trust me, guys, respond to situation felt like a very easy task because before the audio plays, you have 10 seconds, and in those 10 seconds, also the prompt is given in front of you. After that, the audio plays, which is also going to around 10 seconds, and after that audio, you again have another 10 seconds before your recording time starts. So, in total, you will be getting around 30 seconds before your recording time starts for respond to situation, and I think that is a sufficient amount of time for anyone to prepare a short answer for their respond to situation. So nothing was very difficult in speaking. The templates that we have given you guys, we have rigorously tested them throughout different PT official mock tests, and every time we were getting 90 in speaking. So I hopefully the templates are going to work in the actual test as well. Definitely once I get my actual results, I'm going to share it with you guys as well. Moving on towards the writing module, the summaries were a little complex. They were a little longer, but again, nothing to worry about. If you are using the strategy correctly, if you are locating the proper aspects and the important aspects of the summary, you should be getting a good score in your writing as well as your reading module. So nothing to panic about. The essay was a very simple question. It is not that okay, now the essay marking has increased or the writing marking scoring has changed, so the essay question is going to be difficult. The essay question was very easy. The essay question that I got in my exam was television has different roles in the society and it acts as a companion for the lonely. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this is one of the basic essays that a lot of you students have practiced. Again, I'm telling you, only these basic questions are being asked over and over again. So just be prepared. The only thing that you have to keep in your mind is that your answer should be content oriented. That means you have to write and explain your ideas. If you are just writing small keywords, or if you're not writing words that are actually addressing the essay prompt correctly, there are chances you will not get marks with them. So just keep in mind that you are taking the right feedback from the tutors. You are practicing properly and you are writing content oriented answers, and you will be getting a good score even with the new scoring of the essay. Moving on towards the reading module. Now, as your PT reading expert, I can assure you that reading was very simple. There is nothing to worry about your reading module. If you guys are properly practicing and if you guys are going through a number of different types of questions in your reading module, I think you are going to solve your reading module pretty well. None of the questions were having very difficult vocabulary, or none of the questions had a context which was very difficult to understand. Personally, I felt that a lot of your reading and writing blanks were, for me, actually, a few blanks were based on prepositions and connectors. Again, they're very easy, not something which is difficult. It was something that you can get it in the first go. So when you're reading the passage, a lot of the answers were something that you can get correct in the first go. Even the reorders were very simple. The reorders were not that difficult. You can easily make the pairs over there. It wasn't very difficult. And your reading blanks were one of the easiest in the whole exam. None of the question had difficult vocabulary. None of the question was very much grammar oriented or something that we are unsure about. The questions were very straightforward. I only had 4 questions for reading blanks. I had 5 questions for reading and writing blanks, and I had 2 reorders. The only thing that we have to be mindful about when we are doing your reading section is that you are going to have 15 questions and 23 minutes only. So when we were doing our PT official mock test, we always saw that every version had only 23 minutes for their reading module, but we thought that it is just a mock test, so the main exam might have 30 minutes because it is written in the test taker's guide. But I was also a little shocked to see, I was a little surprised to see that they are only giving 23 minutes for reading, considering that you have 15 questions. But the questions were pretty simple. So if you are practicing very well and you have taken enough reading mock tests, I think you should be able to do it very well within 23 minutes of time as well. Moving on to the listening module, summarize spoken text. Yes, I had 1 question. Again, the question was not having very difficult language. It was easy. It wasn't that the audio was very fast. You are able to capture the audio very well, and everything is good. Even listening fill in the blanks were very easy. The words that were asked were very easy. Words were asked like broad, certainly. These kind of words were asked in listening fill in the blanks. Something that we can write. We won't be wrong with the spellings of. Highlight and correct words. Again, if you concentrate well on the audio, it is going to be easy. I did not come across a question which was very fast in the audio, or which was having a background noise or something. The question was very straightforward and very simple. And lastly, write from dictation. Again, I had 3 questions for write from dictation. The sentences were ranging around 8 to 10 words each. The sentences are not long, like 15-16 words, 8 to 10 words each sentence I had. Again, the sentences did not have very out of the known capacity words. It was not something which students cannot write. And definitely I have added extra words. We have added extra words in each and every of our PTE's official mock test testing, and all the time we have got a good score in writing and listening. So yes, extra words are working 100% fine. If you want to add extra words, that is fine. Even if you, let's say, jumble up the order of your sentence, you are still going to get marks over there. Let's say, suppose if you have written the last word accidentally somewhere in the middle, it is not that you won't be getting the marks because the order is jumbled. You will still get the marks. So hopefully we are expecting a very good score from the actual exam as well. And again, as soon as I get the actual score, I will be sharing it with you guys. But trust me, as your PTE expert and your PTE reading expert, I can assure you there is nothing to panic about and there is nothing to worry about. If you guys are practicing properly with the perfect strategies, perfect templates, and if you guys are writing content oriented answers, or if you guys are speaking content oriented answers, you should be getting your scores. And definitely you have to practice very well. And if you want to practice with the proper guidance, please contact Englishwise below and we will be more than happy to help you. Thank you.